see distributive property. It applies to distributivity of multiplication over addition or subtraction. So let us take three integers a, b, c. So a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. If we are taking two integers b and c and first adding it and multiplying with a, it is similar to multiplying the two integers separately with a and then adding together. Both will be the same answer. So for example, 7 into 9 minus 9 plus 8. When I do minus 9 plus 8 first as addition, so I get a minus 1, and then 7 into minus 1 is minus 7. What they are trying to say is, if I am going to multiply 7 individually with both the integers first, so 7 into minus 9 and 7 into 8, and then add them together, it should be the same answer. So let us take 7 into minus 9 plus 7 into 8 is nothing but minus 63 plus 56, which is equal to minus 7. A into b plus c is similar to a into b plus a into c. So this is called as the distributive property. Similarly, it holds good for subtraction also, where a into b minus c will be equal to a into b minus a into c. Let us take the similar example. So 7 into minus 9 minus 8 is 7 into minus 17, which comes to minus 190. Again, 7 into minus 9 and 7 into 8 separately. So minus 63 minus 56. So that comes to again minus 119. So distributive property is always for multiplication over addition or subtraction. We have seen so many properties. Why do we need these properties? The simple reason is that these properties help us to do calculation in a simpler and faster way. For example, let me give an example of 6 minus 13 plus 4. If we do in the same order, 6 minus 13, first we will be cracking our heads or counting with our fingers to see that a minus 7 is coming, and then minus 7 plus 4 I will do to get a minus 3. But instead of doing 6 and minus 13 first, I know 6 plus 4 is 10. Quickly I can see and find the pair. So I will do 6 plus 4 first and then subtract from minus 13. So what happens? 6 minus 13 plus 4 gives me 6 plus 4 is 10 minus 13, which is minus 3. Which property did we use? We used associative property of addition. So here the calculation has become simpler and we have done it in a faster way. If we do 5 into 9 into 2 and do 5 into 9 45 first and then multiply with 2, it will take a longer step. But instead I know 5 into 2 is 10 and then 10 into 9 is 90. So as a result, by the associative property of multiplication, I was able to do it in a quicker way. For example, if I take 5 into 12, now instead of doing separately multiplication, I can use the distributive property here because 12 can be split as 10 and 2. So 5 into 12 can be split as 5 into 10 plus 2. So 5 into 10 plus 5 into 2. So 50 plus 10 is 60. When we go and do it in the actual situation where the numbers might not be as simple as this, it will be faster. This is why we need properties to do the calculations in a simpler and faster way.